addicts. Yo 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 yo. What up, Shmear Dub? Yes, sir. What up, y'all? If you're new, welcome. If you're turning, what up, though? Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And check out that track I'm on in the description below. Here we go. Another react video. The scientific power of naps. Let's get into it. We all took a nap. You know, we just realized, hey, look, I ain't feeling it right now. Let me get that little nappy and get an hour or two, you know. I'll be back on the grind. What up? Get into it. The scientific method. My body, your body's burning up. Burning up. Your body burning up.
Feeling groggy, tired, or unmotivated in the afternoon? Using coffee, soda, and energy drinks, we often try to push through the dreaded long day, yawning through the hours and fighting the fatigue. But it just so happens that the solution is the very thing we've been trying to avoid all along: sleep. Truth is, the power nap is perhaps the most effective way to rejuvenate your brain. There are 4 main stages of your sleep cycle. The first 2 are relatively light sleep, while the third brings you into a deep slumber. The final stage, known as rapid eye movement, or REM for short, is where most of your dreams begin. The benefits of napping are tied to the length of time in which you're asleep. Naps, 30 minutes in length, generally only allow time to enter these first stages. In stage 1, slow eye movement begins, and if woken, you often feel as though you didn't even sleep. But as you continue into stage 2, your brain begins to inhibit processing and ignores external stimuli that it deems non-dangerous in order to relax you and give you a tranquil sleep. It also begins memory consolidation, in which information you learned is processed. Waking out of these stages has shown benefits including increased productivity, increased cognitive function, enhanced memory, boosted creativity, and most importantly, feeling less tired. Beyond 30 minutes, you enter stage 3 and experience something known as sleep inertia when awakened. Because your body is coming out of a deep sleep, motor dexterity is decreased, while grogginess and the longing to go back to sleep increases. Many people falsely deem naps non-beneficial for themselves, but the truth is, they've simply napped too long. As the benefits of napping become clearer, many nap salons have opened throughout Japan, where workers can pay to have a brief lunchtime nap on a daybed to increase alertness at work. So maybe it's about time we all start sleeping on the job a little more. Just tell your boss, science said so. Got a burning question you want answered?
Nigga, this America. Ain't nobody. Nigga, please. They work slaves to they fellas. Hold on, y'all. I know exactly what I'm finna say still. So, nigga, please. They work slaves to they fell dead in the field. Ain't no businessman. I don't want to just label it black, you know, the white man, because obviously, you know, we have all type of owners. Ain't nobody in capitalism trying to let your butt sleep. They don't give up. They give you 30 minutes to eat. What human takes 30 minutes to just eat and have a break to themselves? But that's just how life is. This is America. This is capitalism. You know, we want to raise productivity and lower expenses. You know what I'm saying? And that's why the first thing to get cut from any corporation, from any business or entity, is the employees. That's the first and easiest thing to cut, because it's always the most expensive. It is what it is, man. That's just the reality. So Japan is different, though. Everything is different, structured. So, you know, I'm not too familiar with it, but I know it ain't capitalism. I'll tell you that right now, my brother. You can't go from nothing to something. What are those applications at? I was gonna think about that. And somebody need to cut me a record deal, man. I need a record. Oh man, I don't know. I think I'm good, but you know, you never know how good you is until you just never know. You know what I'm saying? You know, I mean, everybody can rap nowadays, so you know what different am I to bring to the table? Not to say I don't know what different am I, but I'm just speaking from a from a consumer's perspective or whatever. So we'll see, man. If I make it, I make it. If I don't, it is what it is. I haven't stopped. So that's one thing I do salute Dust for. I haven't given up. So who knows, man? I don't know. But alright, but that's gonna go and check out that track I'm on. Description below. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. 2 fingers to the side. Dust.